Good afternoon, my name is Stephen Kwok from Ensure Legal. We are a law firm based in Brisbane City and we focus on conveyancing, property, commercial property, leasing and development laws. Today I want to spend about a minute or two to talk about the Form 2 disclosure requirements. I'm sure a lot of people that are working in the property industry in Queensland is aware there's been new disclosure requirements that came into play from 1st of August last year. So it's been about half a year now. What have we observed and what are the issues? So first of all, we want to have a quick recap on what are the Form 2 disclosure requirements. By and large in Queensland, if you want to sell a property, unless it's an exempted transaction, a seller is required to provide a completed Form 2 disclosure requirement form together with all the necessary searches attached to it before a buyer signs the contract. So this part is usually either arranged by the seller's lawyers or arranged by the agent. So what have we observed so far? So most sellers that are coming to us, we realize they are not quite prepared for this Form 2 disclosure requirement process. Either the agent is telling our clients to find a lawyer to do it, or what we find is a lot of property agents actually are quite reluctant to do it. So what's actually in a Form 2 disclosure form? So a Form 2 disclosure comes with the following parts. The first part is the title and property details. So seller needs to disclose where the property is, titles details, and who owns the property. The second part is about planning, environmental, and zoning issues. The third part is about building and structural compliance. And the fourth part is about the financials and the administrative perspective of a property. For example, a seller is usually required to provide a copy of the council rate search, water search, and if the property is a body corporate type property like an apartment or townhouse, also a body corporate certificate. The importance of the Form 2 is if a seller is not providing a compliant and completed Form 2 before the buyer signs the contract, the buyer may have termination rights all the way up until settlement or potentially claim for damages against the seller. I hope this helps. Thank you.